Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. My dear, new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
So, my dear friends, Emcure Pharma, this company is currently having vacancies on 6th September 2025. You all know about, right, Emcure Pharma. So, the director will also appear in Shark Tank India. So, coming to the walk-in interview details, they are hiring for Surendra Nagar OSD plant for production, engineering, and quality control. So, coming to the years of experience, minimum 1 year of experience for production OSD. Mpharm Bpharm granulation compression coating experience is required and maximum 5 years, and quality control Bsc Msc Bpharm Mpharm 2 to 7 years of experience for officer or executive. For engineering department, officer or executive electrician, B.tech BE Diploma ITI 3 to 5 years of experience. And for production OSD, they are looking for technical operator ITI diploma experience 1 to 5 years, granulation compression and coating, production packing Bpharm Mpharm ITI, fresher candidate as an apprentice. And packing OSD diploma or ITI experience 2 to 5 years as technician operator, secondary and primary packing. The interview venue is Emcure Pharmaceuticals India Limited, survey number 485, village Surendranagar, Gujarat. So please utilize the opportunity. Thank you for watching. For more job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel.